Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's your girl Pauline, aka Mocha Mami. So yeah, as I said, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In fact, just smash the hell out of that subscribe button because I'd love to see you come back again for more videos. So yeah, you clicked this video today because you wanted to know about this hair, honey, this wig. Yes, I am so living when I tell you I am living for this hair. Like, look at it in all its glory. Let me just lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back, so you can see the full thing. She is just so big and voluminous and luscious. Maybe I should like go back a bit just so you can get her in her full glory. I don't know, I can't get the full thing in there, I'm sorry y'all, but let me tell you, she is beautiful, she is working it. And this as you can tell from the title, hopefully I put it in the title, this is the main concept red carpet full wig, natural Afro wig in large. So I got this hair on Elevate Styles. Is it Elevated Styles or Elevate Styles? ElevateStyles.com. So they carry a range of bomb synthetic wigs. So I actually got some other synthetic wigs that I will be doing a review on. Soon come. So stay tuned. But this one is the first one that I've tried so far, and I've actually worn it now for about a week because I got it. So I went to Atlanta, I live in Vancouver, I went to Atlanta for the Christmas holidays, and obviously there's some stuff that y'all in the US can get and we in Canada, we just do not have access to it. So I pretty much just thought premeditatively, woo, English,
you smart.
I don't know if that's a word, but I premeditatedly planned to buy a bunch of stuff and send it to some friends and family in the US so that I could get it when I got there. And so that's what I did. I have ordered different wigs from Elevate Style because I really do in 2020 want to be switching up my looks. Honey, yeah, I do. I want to just be like Keisha, Shaniqua, Laura, Tasha, Dion.
It was Brenda, Letitia, Linda, Felicia, Dawn, LaShawn, Inez, and Delisha.
You know, like that DMX track. I don't know that I said those names right, but you know what I'm saying. I want to be all of them. And so I thought, like, instead of like dishing out points after points on human hair wigs, I just thought, let me buy synthetic, because really my goal is not to wear them every day. It's to wear it like on special occasions or just once in a while. So I think for their price and for like the quality, like it obviously won't be amazing quality, but it'll serve its purpose like when I just want to switch shit up and just pepe down. Anyways, so let's go into the wigs. Yeah, so this one is the main concept Afro wig, and it comes in different colors. So obviously I got the black. So let me say the colors. So there's black, there's dark brown, there's light auburn, there's deep wine burgundy, there's black blue, there's off black. Oh, I got the 1B. This is off black because I realized like black is just too much for me. Like I wanted to look natural, and so my natural hair is more of a 1B, so I thought that would just go so much better, and I just didn't want it to look harsh. And I find that like with things like this, especially this wig, there are sometimes that I call myself looking, and I was kind of worried that it would look too like fake, like it looked like kind of like just costumey. So I was just worried about that, just because it was like it looked really big at times, so that's why I would like sometimes push it down just for it to make it look more natural. So I feel like if it's like a black that's not natural looking, it runs the risk of looking weird. But this, I think it looks so beautiful, so perfect. I got let me tell you, I got so many compliments, darling, when I was strutting my stuff on the Atlanta streets. Let me tell you, I got so many compliments. This lady was like, "Ooh, I'm trying to get like you, girl. I'm trying to get my hair like you." I'm like, "Oh, don't worry, sis. In due time, he will do it for you. 2020 is your year. Hey, man. Good luck. See you later, sis. Yeah, keep growing and flourishing." Yeah, I'm just like, And so it looks super natural. That just tells me that it looks really natural. Like, people were complimenting left, right, and center, both men and women. And I was just getting looks, like, it was looks of admiration, not of disgust, let me tell you that. And also, like, when I posted pictures on my Instagram and stuff like that. Speaking of, go give her a follow. Just go give her a follow, please. When I posted on my Instagram, people were loving it. I got so many DMs, so many comments, so many messages just saying like, love your hair, whatever. And yeah, it's just so nice. So anyways, there's Off Black, which is this one, and there's Bright Blonde. I don't know. And there's Bug. I don't know which one Bug is. I'm just reading this off the website. So I think Bug is like some, this one's Bug. That's the color Bug. I don't know what that is. Bug. Anyways, yeah, so let me just read some of this. So it's a premium synthetic style, Afro style large. Finish length is 14 inches. I haven't pulled this down. Let me pull it down to see. So it's like just here. I try not to pull it because I don't want to lose, you know, the shape of it. But it just says there's no irritation or odors. I'll come back to the odors. Breathable fabric, skin friendly, ready to go style, which I agree with. Soft texture. Yeah, it is soft. It's nice. Maximum they said comfort. Ooh. Anyways, let's leave that. Yeah, so like, yeah, it's good. Like, I would really recommend this. In terms of the odors, so after a couple of days, it wasn't like an odor, but it was like a bit of a whiff of a smell, not a smell, for lack of a better word, a smell. But yeah, I feel like there's some with synthetic wigs that after you wear them a few times, they start to have a bit of an odor, because one of my friends wears has worn synthetic wigs before, and like, I remember there was a time that like it just had a whiff, and I was like, okay girl, it's starting to, you know. So I think it just happens, and I don't know if you have to wash it, but I doused mine in whatchamacallit, in perfume, and it doesn't smell anymore. It has a perfumey smell. So I don't know that I can wash it. I have to do more research into this, but right now it does not smell, because as soon as I whiffed that, I was like, oh hell no. Like, when it comes to me and smells like that, I do not play. So because also I was in a hotel at that point, so because this was while I was on vacation, so I was in a hotel, and there's not much I could do. Like, I didn't want to risk like washing it and then it not turning out right, so I just I baptized it in perfume, and that pretty much did the trick. Anyway, so what else can I say about this wig? Let's see. So, the price. So the price is $22.99 originally, but right now it's on 30% discount because it's the holiday season. So right now it's $16, but even at $22, it's a really good price point. I mean, you really can't go wrong. This is a beautiful, beautiful wig. Like, when I tell you, you don't even understand the compliments I was getting. Like, people were loving it, like not just black people, white people too, but I was like, don't touch my hair, you better not, you just look from afar, look from afar. But yeah, like, everybody and their mama was loving the wig. So yeah, honestly, you can't go wrong. So I'm really trying to get my hair to get to this level, because right now, so a year ago I did like a big chop, like literally my hair was like this much. I'll insert a before and after picture. So this was May 2018. I completely buzzed off my hair. I actually used scissors. I was just pissed one day and I cut it all off. Right now my hair has grown quite a bit, actually, within a space of a year. As I said, I'll insert before and after. And so, like, I think I'm well on my way to getting my hair to be like this. It's just a matter of time, and then I can actually rock my natural hair. But in the meantime, I think this will serve its purpose, to give me that natural hair look, which I really, really do love. I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, if you guys want me to do a video of how I grew my hair so fast within a year, let me know. Drop it in the comments below, because I got you. I really, really do. Like, I have the video in my head ready to go. I just need to pop on that on button on the camera and film it for y'all. So let me know. Seriously, like this video and give it a thumbs up, and comment below that you want me to do a video on how I was able to really grow my hair so quickly in a year. Anyways, so I really think that's it for the in terms of, like, I'll insert pictures, and I'm sure along through the video I insert pictures of what it looks like on the website. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful wig, and so there's really not much else I could say about it. Like, it speaks for itself. So honestly, that's it. That's it. Oh, shipping. Ooh, shipping. So it ships out within 24 hours. And how long did it take to get there? Ooh, that's a good question. That's a really good question. Okay, so I have the dates. It shipped out on December 3rd, and it got delivered on December 9th. So that's like, let's see how many business days. So December 3rd was a Tuesday, got delivered December 9th, that's a Monday. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 business days. Well, that's including the date of delivery, so I would say 4 business days. So that's really, really good. Like, I think, and that's during like their peak seasons as well, because I believe just before that week, you know, it was Black Friday, so it was high season, and they were still kind of having Black Friday day sales. So that's really good shipping time. So yeah, but I would just give it a week, give it 5 business days just to be safe. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Honestly, there's not much else I could say. There's so many different colors that you could choose from if you're feeling wild and frisky. So go ahead, go on, sis. Nobody's holding you back. But for me, as for me and my house, we will stick to the 1B. Okay. Yeah, so I would give this a 5 out of 5. Honestly, a 5 out of 5 for my review. It's divine. It's a divine wig. Like, nothing bad that I could say about it. Anyways, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video today. Please do tell me what you think about the wig in the comments below. Let me know, sis. Like, do you like it? Are you going to cop? Like, also, this video is not sponsored, so, but Elevate Style, if you want to sponsor me, like, let me know. Shoot, if you like the wig, let me know if you're gonna get it. Let me know what color you're gonna get. Let me know if you have it, how you like it, and if you do get it, let me know how you like it. That's it. Love you guys, and again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up the video, and make sure you comment and share. Okay. Bye.